Hello, we're here with the Montag Manufacturing fertilizer air delivery system. This is a 6-ton cart, steerable cart with a 6-ton 12-row high output metering system on it. The cart goes through a 5-step wash system and acid etching, and then a 2-part urethane paint. The metering system itself is built out of 304 stainless steel. And the tank is plastic. Anything touching the fertilizer product directly is either stainless steel or the plastic tank.
We have the two different meters, a 2-inch, which is called our standard, and a 2.5-inch was our high output. This is the high output. The difference basically is capacity of rate. If a guy wants to go 500 pounds and less, then the 2-inch is probably the better option. If a guy wants to go above 500 pounds, per acre, 5 miles an hour, then the high output would be the better option.
Another feature that you would have, this one doesn't have it, but optionally you can put on the back an anhydrous hitch on here, and this system would actually be able to dual shoot and apply your dry fertilizer at the same time as you applied your anhydrous ammonia.
Over here we have the hydraulic manifold block, which has our PWM valve for controlling the auger speed. It's a 12-volt closed PWM valve. These ports, this would be your pressure port for your hydraulic hookup from your tractor. This would be your return port for the tractor to the tractor, and this would be a zero pressure case drain port to go back to the tractor. This pigtail up here is a plug, plugs in. You can unplug it, attach that, or save that plug back in case you would ever need it. It does plug into the coil. Back here, this is a case drain pressure alarm safety. It plugs into a pressure switch back here on a T on the back side of the valve. This goes up into the tractor cab, gets hooked to 12 volts and ground, and this is an alarm. If the zero pressure case drain gets to 23 psi, that alarm will go off. If it gets to 25 psi, a check valve will open up in the block, and it will relieve the oil pressure off of the front seal of the fan motor, so the seals will not blow out of the fan motor.
We have 2 access cleanouts here. Access the meter if you're in the season want to clean it out, or if you had a bad mix, you need to get it cleaned out, that's how you'd access it.
This new ladder design, a lot of guys have trouble filling the system. So we've made half of this railing up there so it can fold forward. A lot of times the augers are too short to reach the tank, and that allows you to be able to drop part of that forward and be able to reach the tank a little easier with your auger. One of the other things, they are available if you order them that way in 3 different colors. This is the white. We also have our standard gray, and you can get it in a yellow. So all 3 optional colors for the poly tank are available.